Hi, my name is Jackson Kibler, and welcome back to another Data in the Wild episode hosted by DataMe. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel below and click the bell to turn on notifications to be the first to know every time we upload a new video. Today we're going to talk about embedding charts in Tableau Tooltips. So what we're looking at is a national map with the sales coloring each state, with higher sales like California and lower sales like Nevada with different gradients of blue. So these tooltips do give you some information, but what I'd like to add is breaking down by category and subcategory. So what I've done is adding a category sheet and a subcategory sheet, breaking it further down. So I can go into my map, click on the tooltip, and after adding a title, I can then insert, hover over the sheet, and choose category, maybe a little wider. Let's make it 600 wide, and shrink it down to 200 tall. And then finally adding in the subcategory, and keeping it at 600 wide, but maybe 400 tall. So let's see what that looks like. Going over to our dashboard now, we can hover over California and we can see the breakdown between furniture, office supplies, and technology in addition to the subcategories. And you can see how that differs across the various states, and the state filter is automatically applied to the tooltip. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to know when future videos are posted. Thanks for watching.